Buying iPhone from Apple Store in Dubai is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you you guys can buy iPhone from Apple Store online in Dubai. So in order to do that, as you guys can see, I'm on Google and I'm going to search for Apple Store online. After that, I'll go to this website, which is apple.com/store. Now, this is official Apple Store. You can buy any of the product that you want to buy. So you just need to select whatever the product that you want to buy. Suppose I want to buy iPhone, so I'm just going to go to the iPhone, and there I'll be able to see all the iPhone available that I can buy. Suppose I want to buy this iPhone, so I'm just going to click on buy, and it will take me to a new page. Now in the new page, it will want me to select the specifications of my iPhone. Suppose I want to buy this one, so I'm going to select the color as well, and after that I'm going to select the storage, and after that you have to select no trade-in or select a smartphone. If you have an old phone, you can exchange it as well, but I'm going to click on no trade-in, and I'm going to select any of the option according to you, whatever you want to do. So I'm just going to select buy now, and there you can select the version that you want to pick. Suppose I want to pick this T-Mobile, so I'm just going to do that, and after that you can select the coverage plus protection if you want. So I'm just going to press no, and after that I'll add it to my bag. Now, after adding it to my bag, I'll easily be able to check out by adding my card, my address. As you guys can see, if I click on review bag, it will want me to, log in. Now, if I click on checkout, it will take me to a page where it will want me to, add the remaining details. So I'm going to, do continue as a guest. It will want me to add the address. After adding these remaining details, your product order will be placed. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this very helpful.